In Welding Technology with Mr. Jackson, students will complete 3 years of work, including welding terminology and hands-on practice. They will learn arc welding, brazing, and oxyacetylene cutting before moving on to gas tungsten arc welding, gas metal arc welding, and pipe welding later on. Alongside different welding methods, students will be taught welding safety, as well as the setup and shutdown of all tools and equipment. During their 3rd year in Welding Technology, students will use what they have learned in the classroom to lay out and fabricate school projects, and even do job cards for the community. Once they have completed 3 years, students will be awarded with a welding certificate or a number of hours. This course will prepare students to enter the metals construction industry, meaning they'll be qualified for jobs such as a pipe fitter, iron worker, boiler maker, or sheet metal worker.